Welcome in channel Success Home Tutor. Today we are going to see some important GK questions, general knowledge questions. Let us start our video. First question. Where is Indira Gandhi Center of Atomic Research located? Answer is Tamil Nadu, Kalpakkam. Second question. Who was the author of Mahabharata? Answer Ved Vyas. Third question. Who was the Femina Miss India winner of 2015? Answer is Aditi Arya. Now next question. Fourth question. What is the number of members of the European Union? Answer is 28. Question 5. On which river Sardar Sarovar Dam is built? Answer Narmada. Sixth question. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? Answer is Paris. Now next question. Who has been the Miss World of 2014? Roland Strauss is the correct answer. What is the full form of SEBI? Full form of SEBI is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next question. Miss World Roland Strauss is a resident of which country? South Africa. On which date is a National Mathematics Day celebrated? National Mathematics Day celebrated on December 22. Next question. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India established? In 1935. Next question. Nasdaq is the share market of which country? Answer is American. Next question. With which is the 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution related? Answer is from Panchayati Raj. Next question. In the Constitution of India, provisions of center-state relations have been taken from the Constitution of which country? Answer is Canada. Next question. Which article of Constitution deals with equality before law? Which article of the Constitution deals with equality before law? Answer is Article 14. Next question. Under which article of Indian Constitution Parliament can legislate on any subject of the state list? Answer is Article 249. Next question. Who appoints the chairman and members of the Human Rights Commission? Answer is Governor. Next question. Which article of the Constitution contains provisions related to the defense of the fundamental rights of a captive person? Answer is Article 422. Article 22. Next question. How many members can nominated by the President of Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is 12. Next question. In which article of the Constitution it is described that the entire process of Supreme Court of India will be done in English language. I am repeating this question. In which article of the Constitution it is described that the entire process of Supreme Court of India will be done in English language? Answer is Article 348. This is all today's GK question and answer. So today we are going to stop here. So we will meet again in new video with new information. So today we are stop here. Thank you for your cooperation. Kindly like to this video and subscribe the channel Success Home Tutor. Thank you.